Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a fresh spring makeup tutorial. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about makeup, click the subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any new video. I'm going to start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Like about this much I'm taking. For foundation, I like to use a lightweight foundation, so I'm going to use the Smashbox Studioskin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 2.2. For concealer, I am taking my Makeup Revloution Conceal in Divine Full Coverage Concealer. Smile lines. Next, I'm going to prime my lips with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to pick this Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Colour Edition palette. For the crease, I'm going to use this light brown shade right here. Next, I'm taking a darker brown, which is this one right here, for my outer corner of my eye. So I'm going to carve out my lids with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. For the lid, I am going to take this green color. It's such a beautiful green for now for the spring. So I'm just going to like experiment with it. I don't usually go for bright colors, but like I'm literally tired of neutral colors. Are you guys with me? Bright colors are the best. So I'm taking my Real Technique shader brush. And I'm just like packing the shade onto the concealer where I carved out. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my Milani Make It Last to the brush because I really want this to pop some more. For liner, I'm using the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Liquid Eyeliner. For setting powder, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. Carve out. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetic Bad Girl Bang. Look at the wand. For falsies, I'm going to use the Kiss Blowout falsies. These are the Pixie style ones, and I'll be right back. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Physicans Formula Butter Bronzer. For highlight, the famous highlighter is the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter so much. This liquid highlighter is amazing. It's not too thick, and that's why I like it. It's very lightweight. For the lips, I'm using Smashbox Legendary Lipstick. This one is in the shade Nylon Nude. Nylon Nude is the shade. This is how the color looks like. Nylon Nude. Nylon Nude. To set my makeup, I'm using the Milani Make It Last spray. I absolutely love this spray. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see my recent makeup tutorial, then just click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.